Hello, everyone. My name is Monika, and I'm CEO and founder of Openhack 2020 Australia. I would like to invite you to participate in our next Hack for Future edition, when we will be supporting global goals and especially the Goal 17 Partnership for Goals. In this case, we will provide you with a challenge that we all are facing. Each and every country these days are having issues when measuring and checking travelers that are passing the borders. We would like to invite you to find the best solution when it comes to offering an application that could help us track people with their COVID-19 tests, with their positive and negative results, with vaccination, and any other health-related issues that can be important when checking the passengers. This being said, keep in mind that each and every country has their own regulations. Own regulations, how they check, how they issue documents, and this is the big challenge. There's no infrastructure that would support it all. At the moment, European Union has a global initiative, Reopen. Reopen Europe aims to provide information from each and every country on different regulations that each and every country has and have changing every time and every week. So we are looking into a solution that could help us, no matter which country, to make it simple and easy to access important information. And more specifications can be found in our Discord channel. The challenge sounds quite straightforward, but there's a lot of research to be done. A lot of things have to be thought through, and these ones we mention in our Discord channel. This hackathon is open for all global changemakers. And I would like to mention that this month marks exactly a year since we started this global initiative, global movement to empower all global changemakers worldwide. As long as you have internet connection, you can participate in this hackathon. We encourage you to invite your friends, your family, your close ones, and whoever you know that has many great ideas and should benefit from this event. When looking for the best solution and best techniques, we invite you to check our crash courses provided on our YouTube playlist, Openhack 2020 Australia playlist crash courses. There, we offer you a range of courses in blockchain technology, in data, in machine learning, in open data, and location services. We also have some inspirational talks, including United Nations 75-year anniversary, head of marketing, and including other organizations that can be of value when you look for solutions for this challenge. It is important to mention that Openhack 2020 Australia, and especially Hack for Future initiative, supports UNESCO Learning Cities. And as we see that this global pandemic is going on, we decided to announce that from now on, you can also turn to us and ask for help as a learning virtual community. A learning virtual community that connects people from anywhere around the globe. And you're part of this, and you're invited to be an active participant and global changemaker. Before I round up, I would like to say that so far we managed to reach more than 50 countries worldwide, thousands of participants, and we see that people are really keen for working towards sustainable development goals. And we can do this together. We can achieve this by 2030, as long as we keep on the road, as we keep on tracking our goals, and as long as we collaborate. So I encourage you to actively participate in our Discord channel, discuss different ideas, share resources, find teammates, invite others to participate. And we also do it in such format this time that we give you more time to find the relevant information. And we're doing a countdown from today to the end of this month, March 2021. We'll be waiting for your solutions, and it should be a video. Up to 5 minutes, you can record the video, and you can also attach any other relevant documentation or PowerPoint presentation, any relevant code or design or prototype to your solution when submitting. We will be live streaming the best solutions at the start of next month, and we invite you all to collaborate and work together to find the best ways we can handle the current situation and reopen the world. I invite you to reopen the world together with us with Openhack 2020 Australia Hack for Future community. See you in Discord, and you can find all the links below under this video. Stay tuned and see you in Discord.